Hello and welcome back to My Carolina Homestead. My name is Michelle if you're new, and today I've just got a busy day in the kitchen and I thought I would make a quick healthy treat for my pups. Since I've got their dog food going on the stove, thought I'd go ahead and make them a quick batch of treats. I'm going to start off with a microwavable glass measuring cup, and in this I have a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Prefer all natural peanut butter that has a low sugar content and does not contain any xylitol, because xylitol is toxic to pets. And I also have a 1/4 cup of unrefined organic coconut oil, and I've also got 1/4 cup of warm water. And what I did was I put this in the microwave for 60 seconds at 50% power. And now I'm just going to stir this up with a silicone spatula and blend this in together. And you just want to mix it together until you've got a combined liquid. So this is combined really well. And to this, I'm going to add 1 egg. And I'm just going to beat this egg into it. This is going to act as an emulsifier, and it's also going to help these little treats come together. So right now, while I'm doing this, I have lined my baking dish with a silicone mat, and I have got my oven preheating at 350 degrees. So once you add the egg, it thickens up your mixture really well. It's almost like a batter. So see there? Okay, and to this, what I'm going to add is 2 cups of oat flour. I was using almond flour, but it's gotten really expensive. So we started buying oats in bulk from Azure Standard, and if you're interested in that, I can link that down in the description box below. But all I do is put this in a magic bullet or a Vitamix and blend this into a flour. And so I'm just going to add this to the mixture. So this is 2 cups of oat flour. I'm just going to combine this really well. So remember, the ingredients are 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter, xylitol free with low sugar content, and then we have 1/4 cup of unrefined organic coconut oil, and then I have 1/4 cup of warm water, and then 2 cups of organic oat flour. So I'm just going to combine this until I make almost like a cookie dough, and combine the oil in really well. And I like to use a silicone spatula because it helps me spread this mixture onto my baking sheet really easily. So if you have any difficulty getting your batter to come together, you can add just a splash of water. So I'm going to add 1 more splash of water to this. It seems to be just a little stiff today. Now that's much better. Now this batter is going to be sort of like a paste, like that. And then what I like to do is just take a little bit out with my silicone spatula and just press it down and spread it out just like this. And this recipe will cover the top of your cookie sheet perfectly. When I get this treat dough spread out across this baking sheet, I will show you what I'm gonna do next. Now that I have the treat batter pressed down into this cookie sheet, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score it so that when this has been baked and is finished, then I will be able to break these apart really easily. So I'm just gonna take my silicone spatula here and score this down into treat sized pieces. My oven is still preheating at 350 degrees. This is a really quick, healthy treat recipe, and our pups just absolutely love it. And it comes together so easily. So if you get the opportunity to give this recipe a try, I would really love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. So now that this is finished, I'm just going to go stick this in my oven, and I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for exactly 25 minutes. Now, that's going to vary from oven to oven, so just kind of keep an eye on them after 22 minutes, and don't let them go over 30. I think 30 might be a little bit too long, but for my oven, 25 minutes is perfect. So now I'm just going to go put this in the oven. So I'm going to bake those at 350 degrees for 25 minutes, and I will bring you back to see what that looks like when it's all finished. Okay, so our dog treats are finished, and this is what they look like coming out of the oven. They have cooled, so they're cool to the touch. And I just like to take them and give them a little drop on the countertop, and now these are just really easy to pick up. And I put them in a little countertop airtight container, and these last me about around 2 weeks max. So I probably wouldn't leave them out on the countertop much longer than that. But this is a super simple and easy, healthy dog treat recipe that you can make in no time at your home, and it doesn't include all of those harmful chemicals or ingredients that are not good for our pets. So there we go. We've got our nice dog treats all ready for the week for our puppies. I want to say thank you for stopping by my Carolina homestead today and spending some time with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click that notification bell for more videos coming soon. See you next time, and take care.